What's up, guys? I was gonna do a cool intro, but I kept messing up, and I just said screw it. But anyways. Welcome to another episode of KingBassing. Today I'm going to talk to you about my top 3 lures that I found successful in 2016. And, I wanted to share with you guys to maybe it will help you out for 2017. I don't know. I don't know if you can see out here, but it's winter time. Let's get this camera on. See that out there? All kinds of snow action. All kinds. So, I'm not going to be fishing a lot nowadays. And I don't know if you can see over here, you got that Christmas tree still up. But, I just haven't took it down, But anyways, first off, I want to go over with a jig that I used. It's going to be either a 1/8 or a 1/4 black and blue jig, and I got a Yum trailer on there. It's green pumpkin and with blue flakes. I catch a lot of little dinks on here, little dinks, but not to say I did catch a good 2 to 3 pound smallie on here, but you do have to kind of weed out the dinks on there. But I like this jig. I normally fish it on 12 to 15 pound fluoro, but I mean you could fish it on 8 pound fluoro, 6 pound on spinning rod. It really doesn't matter. But later in the video, I hope to show you guys how I use it whenever I fish it. So there's that. Anyways, the next up is what I call a Nico rig. I don't know if you guys have heard it or anything, but basically it's kind of like a shaky head. But you have a nail at the head of the plastic that you want to use. I don't know. I'm not for sure on the name of this plastic. I know it's Berkeley, but I think it's a ribbon something. I don't know. But I have a weedless hook on there, wacky hook. And basically all I do, I fish on 8 pound fluorocarbon spinning rod. I just let it sink to the bottom, right? And all I do is just shake it. Shake it. Just shake it. That's all you do. You don't want to leave too much of a slack line because then it's just going to fall over. But, you pick it up and all you're doing is just shaking it. Just shaking it. And they just come up there and just boom. But anyways, if you want me to show you how I rig this and what I do, versus buying a nail weight, those cost a lot. I can show you how I rig this. Just leave a comment below, and I'll go over a tutorial on this. Right. Lastly, the lure that I caught my PB on this year, which is a 5/7 largemouth, which back in the fall, is this KVD swim jig. It's a 1/4 ounce jig head. It's shad colored, and I combined it with a Kitech trailer. So it's not it's not that big of a profile, as you can see, but what I basically do, just throw it out there, either slow retrieve back to the kayak or back to the bank, whatever I'm fishing, and then either bump it across some logs, some rocks. If I do that, I kind of pause. I give it a little hesitate. Okay. A little pause. So if I'm coming around, I'll use it out of the way. So if I'm coming through, hit, just a little pause, let it die, and then I'll pick it back up. Typically, whenever it does that, and I know there's fish there, they gonna slam it. They gonna slam it. Ew. But anyways, sometimes I'll just reel it back to the boat or back to the bank, or I'll go really fast. What you call it? Yeah, just really fast, whatever. And then sometimes I will just kill it, and just let it fall on the floor, or just let it fall to the ground. Anyways, to the bottom, and then I'll just drag it like a little jig, But most of the time, it's just slow reeling into that what I think is their strike zone. If the fish are at 5 foot. 10 foot, doesn't really matter, whatever. Yeah, I just slow roll it through, and most of the time they just come up there and just grab it. They just grab it, man. Just straight up grab it. But anyways, I think I want to tie these on, get the water going, and then show you how I work and what they look like underwater. So yeah. See you guys in a little bit underwater. Alright guys, so first up, we're going to be starting with the black and blue jig. Next up, we'll use the Nico rig. Lastly, we're going to use the swim jig. So I hope you guys liked, seeing this underwater. I don't know, I just thought, you guys might have liked it, and, so if you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below of what you want to see next. See you guys on the next episode of KingBassing.